Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge, etc. Today I will discuss about JIIB examination related MCQs. If you are preparing for JIIB examination or looking to strengthen your banking knowledge, you are in the right place. Welcome to part 33 of my Path to the Corner Office, JIIB examination series, JIIB Paper 1, Indian Economy and Indian Financial System, where I will break down real JIIB examination related MCQs and provide clear, practical explanations to help you strengthen concepts and progress faster in your banking career. Today's MCQ subject topic, Paper 1, Indian Economy and Indian Financial System. Module D, Financial Products and Services. Forex Markets. Profile of foreign exchange, forex market, evolution of the forex market in India, characteristics of the forex market, market participants, LIBOR and alternate reference rates, Foreign Exchange Dealers Association of India, Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999, FX Retail Platform, US Dollar Index, American Depository Receipt and Global Depository Receipt. Question. The foreign exchange market deals in option A commodities, option B equity shares, option C foreign currencies, option D bonds. Correct answer is option C foreign currencies. Question. Forex market is characterized by option A centralized trading, option B decentralized global market, option C government only transactions, option D limited participants. Correct answer is option B decentralized global market. Question. The largest financial market in the world is option A capital market, option B money market, option C forex market, option D commodity market. Correct answer is option C forex market. Question. The evolution of forex market in India significantly accelerated after option A 1947, option B 1969, option C 1991 economic reforms, option D 2008 crisis. Correct answer is option C 1991 economic reforms. Question. Forex market operates option A 8 hours a day, option B 12 hours a day, option C 24 hours a day, option D only weekdays 9 to 5. Correct answer is option C 24 hours a day. Question. Which of the following is not a participant in forex market? Option A banks, option B corporates, option C central banks, option D farmers only. Correct answer is option D farmers only. Question. The exchange rate is determined by option A RBI only, option B demand and supply of currencies, option C government decree only, option D SEBI. Correct answer is option B demand and supply of currencies. Question. Spot transactions in forex are settled. Option A immediately, option B after 30 days, option C within 2 working days, option D after 1 year. Correct answer is option C within 2 working days. Question. Forward contracts and forex are used for option A speculation only, option B hedging exchange rate risk, option C tax saving, option D dividend payment. Correct answer is option B hedging exchange rate risk. Question. LIBOR stands for option A London Interbank Borrowing Rate, option B London Interbank Offered Rate, option C Long Term Interest Bank Rate, option D Local Interbank Official Rate. Correct answer is option B London Interbank Offered Rate. Question. LIBOR was widely used as option A exchange rate, option B benchmark interest rate, option C inflation rate, option D tax rate. Correct answer is option B benchmark interest rate. Question. LIBOR is being replaced by option A repo rate, option B alternate reference rates ARR, option C CRR, option D SLR. Correct answer is option B alternate reference rates ARRs. Question. An example of ARR is option A SLR, option B SOFR, option C CRR, option D CPI. Correct answer is option B SOFR. Question. Foreign Exchange Dealers Association of India FEDAI regulates option A equity markets, option B forex dealers and practices in India, option C insurance sector, option D mutual funds. Correct answer is option B forex dealers and practices in India. Question. FEDAI issues option A tax rules, option B operational guidelines for forex transactions, option C monetary policy, option D budget policies. Correct answer is option B operational guidelines for forex transactions. Question. Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999 FEMA deals with option A taxation, option B foreign exchange management, option C banking regulation, option D insurance regulation. Correct answer is option B foreign exchange management. Question. FEMA replaced option A RBI Act, option B Banking Regulation Act, option C FERA, option D SEBI Act. Correct answer is option C FERA. Option question. FEMA is more option A restrictive, option B liberal and facilitative, option C punitive only, option D tax oriented. Correct answer is option B liberal and facilitative. Question. FX retail platform is used for option A large corporate deals, option B retail participation in forex transactions, option C government borrowing, option D equity trading. Correct answer is option B retail participation in forex transactions. Question. US dollar index measures option A inflation in USA, option B strength of USD against major currencies, option C gold price, option D interest rates. Correct answer is option B, strength of USD against major currencies. Question. A rise in USDX indicates option A, weakening of USD, option B, strengthening of USD, option C, stable USD, option D, inflation fall. Correct answer is option B, strengthening of USD. Question. ADR stands for option A, American Deposit Receipt, option B, American Depository Receipt, option C, Asian Depository Receipt, option D, alternate deposit receipt. Correct answer is option B, American Depository Receipt. Question. ADRs are issued in option A, India, option B, USA, option C, UK, option D, Japan. Correct answer is option B, USA. Question. GDR stands for option A, Global Deposit Receipt, option B, General Depository Receipt, option C, Global Depository Receipt, option D, Government Deposit Receipt. Correct answer is option C, Global Depository Receipt. Question. GDRs are listed in option A, only India, option B, international markets, option C, only USA, option D, only Europe. Correct answer is option B, international markets. Question. ADR and GDR are used by companies to option A, raise domestic funds, option B, raise funds from international markets, option C, pay taxes, option D, issue bonds. Correct answer is option B, raise funds from international markets. Question. Forex market helps in option A, tax collection, option B, international trade settlement, option C, labor management, option D, agricultural production. Correct answer is option B, international trade settlement. Question. Hedging in forex means option A, increasing risk, option B, eliminating all losses, option C, reducing exchange rate risk, option D, currency printing. Correct answer is option C, reducing exchange rate risk. Question. Which authority manages forex reserves in India? Option A, SEBI, option B, RBI, option C, NABARD, option D, IRDAI. Correct answer is option B, RBI. Question. Forex reserves include option A, foreign currencies, option B, gold, option C, SDRs, option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Thank you very much for your patience. Request for like, subscribe and share.